God bless and welcome again for more inspiration on how to make fruit tea and herbal tea from wild plants, how to make a refreshing pear ginger drink, how to make pear oat cookies, how to preserve fruits in rolls, and how to make a pear oat porridge. Thank you. For the herbal tea, I blended anise seeds that were dried mint leaves, dried goosefoot leaves, and dried sunflower leaves. See the health benefits in the description below. This fruit tree is a favorite. It tastes sweet and sour, and the licorice gives it an extra dimension. The ingredients were simply a blend of blackberries that were dried pear and apple fruits, dried spinach leaves, dried anise seeds, ginger powder, and licorice. I would recommend to try this. Next is pear oat cookies. First I prepared the pear fruits by washing, cooking and blending. And then I added turmeric powder, oats and sunflower seeds. Next I placed the mixture on a baking tray and baked at low heat. It took a bit long to bake, but the results are a crunchy sweet cookie. They can be served with tea, coffee, another beverage, and honey. They can also be preserved for later use. I preserved mine in vacuum packages for later use. This is the continuation of the knitting I've been doing for my books on the shelves. As you can see, I'm proceeding. I sent a picture to a good friend and she thought it was from a magazine. Well, that's what friends are for. They compliment one's work, they encourage one, and they even uplift one's spirit with such beautiful comments. The next product is apple ginger drink. It's refreshing, sweet and spicy. The process of making it was as simple as you can see. I simply washed, cut and boiled pear fruits. This process produced a juice I separated the juice, added turmeric powder, ginger powder, vinegar, and lemon. Then I cooled and bottled. I also made a separate bottle for my husband without any spices, and he really liked it. You can try this at home. In the next session, be inspired by how to preserve fruits in rolls. The process simply involves picking fruits, and in this case I used pear fruits, washing them, cutting into pieces, boiling, and then oven drying. Once they are oven dried, it is easy to roll them and preserve them. They can also be dipped in ginger and preserved with some spices, but I prefer to preserve as they are. And this is a process that can help you preserve lots of fruits for a long time. With the remaining oat and pear mixture, I could bake bread, and the result was really surprising and good. The ingredients were wheat flour, gram flour, and salt. The bread turned out fruity and delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope you have been inspired. Be free to subscribe and follow for more vlogs with content like this. God bless.